Alright, so guys, that's a fail. I want to put that back.
Babe, you have to do the vibe today.
What?
Give me this.
Look, I got this. Look.
I see it.
So, mix this top and butter up a little bit real quick.
Can I use this?
Half stick, half cup. I think it's about precision, so you gotta make sure that you get almost ideal measurements. That's why I usually put a line on the outside. So I ain't gotta worry about the inside. I'm gonna add 3 cups of sugar. For everybody. Yes, the cake is for everybody. Now that's good and cream. We're gonna start putting these eggs in one at a time. Yeah, eggs. Put your eggs in about 10 to 15 seconds apart. And 5. Now this is the one manual part of the recipe. When you get to the cake flour, I mean not the cake flour, lemon extract and vanilla extract, you gotta actually fold those in. Don't mix, just fold them.
Bae, and his hand is determined.
Now this, guys, we are almost home. We have heavy whipping cream to put in and some 7-Up, and then we put it up. So while that's going, guys, let's go ahead and mix in this heavy whipping cream and this 7-Up. And last but certainly not least, 7-Up. Alright guys, so y'all gonna have to forgive this kind of angle here, but Bae has Alex since I can't get him right now. And you guys still want to see these vlogs, don't you? So that means that we just gotta figure out how we're gonna do it. So if it means Joby and go, it's gonna be Joby and go. Cause I'm a little limited right now, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm finna stand up, get out here view, and then I come right back. This is it, guys. All right, guys. So I just had to pick you up so that we can look at this wonderful cake about to be put in this bundt pan. I'm actually gonna put one in a traditional cake pan because I like a little bit of crunch on my pound cakes at times. So I'll put like not even a whole fourth, maybe, well, barely a fourth of the batter in a regular cake pan. Give me a nice little mini crunch cake. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Bring the goodness. All right, so one more thing, guys. Take this attachment off and put this attachment on because the paddle is a little bit better to make sure that nothing gets caught on the sides and it's an even mix. Don't shoot them up off the side like a windshield wiper. See that? Shoot, 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 shoot. Now that is the texture that I'm looking for. Now, it can go in the oven. Well, it can go in the pan.
You gotta season your pan now.
Well, I need that cake stick in that.
Yay, cake. Cake, 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 cake. I'm looking real rough. We've been cooking all day. But I just want to say, I've been asking Bae for a pound cake since about, what it was, Thanksgiving or Christmas. I feel like it was Thanksgiving.
About a week ago.
Heck no, heck no.
Yeah, you've been asking about a week.
Boy, I've been asking about
a week
50
ago.
weeks.
You first asked me about a week ago.
No, I first asked you around Christmas time. Tell the truth.
Huh?
I've been asked for a pound cake. I just want to say, do it really take?
I'm gonna lose my ring.
Took this brother almost chopping off his finger to finally make a pound cake. Bae is a trooper, y'all. And I ain't just talking about no trooper, a real trooper. Cause I had chopped my finger off. We don't like that nasty marshmallow stuff on top, guys. I don't know who started that, but that was never a good idea. Make a little baby plate.
Yeah. But no, you probably gonna smash today. Just because I did this.
So today is today. Yeah.
Yeah.
He probably gonna eat it.
He put fits in meals. I'm putting fingertips in them.
Oh no. I had to.
Hey, plate.
It's hot. Cheese. It's good. Good. You got cornbread?
Mommy, look at your teeth.
Cheese. It's good. Eat your food. It's good. Taste your beans. I know you like beans. Yeah, and beans.
What's this?
That's cabbage.
Cabbage?
Who out there? Nobody. Oh.
I'm not just hearing thunder.
You heard thunder?
Yeah. I was scared of the thunder.
You don't be scared.
Yeah.
You're not. You're a big boy. You're strong.
I'm strong.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah, you can't be scared. You like beans?
Yeah.
They're good?
Let me get hot.
It's hot. I'm sorry. You gotta blow it. Beans. What you say? Why no beans?
Yeah.
You don't want beans? Taste them. Taste beans. Say ah. It's good. It's candy yam. Say ah. Ah.
You're candy.
It's good. Ooh. You like those, Juju? Good.
Yeah, everyone. Mommy, the doctor gave to me.
The doctor gave you that plate? She did. At your pediatrician. He was gonna eat all the candy yams.
That's smash game. Look at that mouth.
Y'all both ate all the candy yams, blue like beans. I knew he was gonna eat his beans. Juju, you ate some cabbage?
I told you.
You good? Oh my goodness.
Boy.
She's gonna be mad about this.
Look. You know it's good when you don't even need no utensil. You can just. Oh my God. I'm gonna need another piece of cornbread.
Please.
Mm-hmm.
Worth the fingertip.
Look,
Was it worth losing the fingertip?
long as the fingertip ain't in here.
It's still attached.
Yeah, it was worth it. Everything is delicious.
Good.
It is very nice. Very nice.
I'm sorry I couldn't show y'all me making this, but eyes are crooked. But it's simple. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of 7-Up, and a half a teaspoon of lemon extract.
No rice cereal. That's for the baby. We ain't gonna even tell y'all no lie. We ate the bottom of the cake. When it flipped out, it was so good. We said we should have recorded ourselves.
Yes, sir, you may.
What? What you say?
Okay. Whoa! Whoa!
What?
Cake.
You want some cake?
Yeah.
Tell everybody your head is feeling much better.
A cake.
I said, what about your head?
Mommy, I'm gonna show everybody the Juju's head.
Did you feeling better?
Yes. Yeah.
Juju is a trooper, y'all. We gotta tell y'all that story.
A cake. Mommy,
It's cake.
Yes.
Don't touch it.
Bite it.
No, don't bite it. Why you always think you have to bite the cake?
Right.
Hey, get back.
Son, I don't tell you.
No, don't bite it.
No cake bandit.
No, don't bite it. Don't bite you. No. Don't bite it.
Let me try to
Okay. It's good, Juju. What you got? What you got? You got cake?
Look.
It's good? It's good, Juju? Yes.
Whippy.
Say go, Daddy.
Go, Daddy.
You good?
Daddy, good.
I don't. This is all
You eat
yours.
it. Bite.
It's all for you, baby.
They got a piece of the personal pan, y'all. It's good, ain't it, Fritz?
Yeah. Mommy.
Cake good? Y'all want to say it?
Good.
Give mommy some? Good.
What
Can
did you
you-
say, Mommy?
Can you say good night, vlog?
Good night, vlog.
Say good night, vlog. Subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe. Vlog.
Say hit the bell. No, say hit the bell. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. This one.
Yep. Turn it off.